Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to change caller ID name in your Android phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to accounts and backup option. After that go to manage accounts and then select your Google accounts. Then tap on Google account again and give it a moment. After that tap on personal info and then scroll down a bit. Then tap on name option. Then tap on name again. Now if you change your Google account name from here, then your caller ID name will be changed automatically. And from here type your new caller ID name, then tap on save and give it a moment and it's done. Now just go back and then refresh it. Now you can see your caller ID name has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change your caller ID name in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.